Good morning, Professor. We are Group39. The article we want to share today is the first study to estimate clothing demand by modeling data based on consumer preference. The study was actually tested in a retail store, the original. Our perception is divided into 6 sessions. Retailers sell curtain items beyond the actual demand, resulting in excess inventory. If there are fewer curtain items than they need, it can lead to a lack of inventory. Consumers tend to choose substitute when they cannot find what they want. If they can't find a suitable substitute, they leave the store without making a purchase, and they tend to buy from competitors. There are certain drawbacks to using past sales data for clothing forecasting. Retailers rely on early sales data when estimating demand, which does not reflect future demand.
Now I will introduce solution buyer. Solution buyers are primarily apparel retailers. The study proposes a demand estimation model based on consumer preferences that can help retailer predict demand more accurately, develop new store location, category planning, and inventory management strategies based on the actual needs of the consumers to better meet consumer needs and improve competitiveness. Other potential buyers of the solution include other retailers, fashion designers, and manufacturers. By leveraging consumer preference data for demand estimation, these entities can better meet consumer needs and improve the market adaptability of their products, thereby increasing sales and profits.
Now let me introduce the analytics tool. The main analytics tool of this study is SPSS. This tool was used to analyze the data in two parts. One part is the estimation of the utility score. After selecting the estimation model, SPSS used to analyze the data and obtain the particle value utility score of each attribute level. The second part is the construction of the simulus sets. This study constructed the simulus set through the particle factorial design method. SPSS used to conduct a particle factorial design on more than 700 profiles of the respondents and finally produced 20 profiles.
Hello, I'll show you the objectives and the predictive methods. This research has two objectives. These objectives focus on improving demand forecasting in apparel retailing through the use of detailed consumer preference data. And it has four predictive methods. The first one is data collection and SKU creation. It's about collecting consumer preference data through a store intercept survey and create a hypothetical storekeeping units using a full factorial design. The second one is conjoint analysis. This method calculates utility scores for hypothetical SKUs based on consumer preference. The third one is decision tree classification. The utility scores obtained from conjoint analysis are then used in a decision tree model to classify these SKUs. The last one is model verification. Verify the effectiveness of the model by comparing its predictions with actual sales data.
In this study, the key finding is that the demand estimation models based on consumer preference data perform the best in terms of accuracy. The demand prediction result of this model is closer to the actual sales situation, while the model based on expert opinions has no significant relationship with the actual sales situation. Second, we found that conjoint analysis is the most effective method for prediction among all those we compared. This is especially true for estimating demand in a range of apparel products and services.
Let me state the conclusion of this study. The findings suggest that traditional data sources have errors in the accuracy of demand estimation, and that using consumer preference data avoids these problems. preference analysis has potential advantages in predicting consumer demand, and demand estimation models based on consumer preferences are important for apparel retailers to help them better understand the consumer demand, plan product categories, and forecast demand for different products. Thank you for watching.